Right now, thousands of Nigerian businesses are losing time, money, and competitive edge, all because of outdated legacy infrastructure. The world has moved to the cloud, and the question isn't if you should migrate, it's how. At FPG Technologies, we've guided over 200 enterprises through this exact transformation. Today, I'm going to walk you through our proven 6-step cloud migration journey, from legacy systems to cloud-first operations. Step 1 is discovery and assessment. We audit your current infrastructure, every server, application, and workflow, to understand what you have, what can move to the cloud, and what needs to be rebuilt. No guesswork, just pure data. Step 2, cloud strategy and planning. Not every workload belongs in the same cloud. We design a tailored roadmap, whether that's AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, or a hybrid approach, aligned with your budget, compliance requirements, and growth goals. Step 3, migration and deployment. This is where the work happens. Our engineers execute the migration with zero tolerance for unplanned downtime. Your business keeps running while we move your systems securely and efficiently to the cloud. Steps 4 and 5 are optimization and security. Once you're on the cloud, we fine-tune performance, eliminate waste, and lock down your environment to meet data regulations and global security standards. Your cloud should be fast, lean, and bulletproof. And step 6, continuous support and monitoring. Migration is not a destination, it's a starting point. Our team provides round-the-clock monitoring, proactive updates, and strategic guidance so your cloud environment grows with your business. FPG Technologies has executed over 200 successful cloud projects, helping Nigerian enterprises modernize, migrate, and thrive. Your transformation starts with one conversation. Book your free consultation today. The link is right below. Don't let legacy systems hold your business back one more day.